Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the macro photo with a Samsung Galaxy A70. To do this you will need to open the camera. Right here go for more, then select the macro. Now pick up your phone and place it somewhere around 3 or 5 centimeters away from the object that you want to take the photo of. Make sure it has a good light as well. Like this. Now try to be stable and press on the shutter button. Now if you look on the photo, it's in a macro as you can see. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.